Hola, hola, ¿cómo están? Espero que estén muy bien. Now, as I take in this view, I wanted to talk to you about learning another language. And today, specifically, I'll be talking about learning Spanish. So, I'm going to give you some tips for learning Spanish. One of the first tips I'm going to give you is practice speaking Spanish daily. And you might say, how can I practice speaking Spanish daily if I don't speak Spanish? But start with words that you know. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien, espero que estén bien. Start with words that you know. Few minutes per day, but each day put in some work into it. Use language learning apps. You've heard of Duolingo, you might know Babbel. There are some persons who have had luck with Rosetta Stone. Use them to improve your vocabulary. Watch sports content. What Spanish content? Well, if sport is what you like, you can watch it in Spanish. You can watch TV shows, YouTube videos. If you like makeup, watch your favorite makeup artist or find makeup artists who speak the language that you want to learn. For now, I'm speaking about Spanish, but if it's French, whatever it is, you need to make sure you are doing it with things you love. And you'll find that you learn quicker when you are interested in what is being said. So you will learn new phrases and expressions, and then I promise you it will make it easier. And with Spanish, it's little by little. So number 4, I want you to engage with Spanish speakers. Practice speaking with native Spanish speakers to improve your conversational skills, or others who have learned Spanish. So for example, I'm not a native, but I've learned Spanish and I enjoy teaching and helping people to learn Spanish. So definitely make sure you are practicing your Spanish. Don't be afraid. Listen to music. If you love music, listen to Spanish music and try to understand the lyrics. Now, I say this all the time. I used to, and I still do it. I will type in, well, right now I'll write the whole thing in Spanish, but before I would write, for example, Michael Jackson, We Are the World, and then at the end I put en español, en, and then español. So ESPANOL, and whichever song it is, and then you put en español, and you can see persons would have done covers of it, or you can find the songs translated in Spanish, and make sure you have the captions on the screen. That will definitely help you. Take a Spanish class, whether you're taking that class with me, Spanish Plus Tutoring Services, or anybody else. Take a Spanish class. Make sure you're practicing. Create flashcards. If you're the kind of person who likes to write it down, put it on the fridge, label the items in your house, and it will help you with vocabulary retention. Use Spanish in your everyday life. So when you learn the words, don't learn good morning and then start saying good morning. Start saying buenos dias, good afternoon, buenas tardes, but practice. And I find that once you master a little bit, you get so excited, you want to do more and more and more. So make sure you're following either if it's TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whichever one you're on, Discord, wherever you are. Follow Spanish speaking creators, or again, whichever language you're trying to learn, follow the creators that are speaking that language. And last and certainly not least, be consistent and patient. Learning a new language takes time and dedication, so be consistent with your practice and be patient with your progress. I'm gonna say that again: be consistent with your practice and patient with your progress. I know we want to be able to say, hola, buenos días, mi nombre es Simonetti, hoy yo voy a darles algunos consejos y cosas así, but that takes time and practice. So I want you to take a little time and make sure that you are practicing. You got this. I'm proud of you. Poco a poco, usted va a aprender el idioma. Chao, chao, chao. Adiós.